Hey everybody, it's James from Rattlecan Fab Shop. Just want to let you know, this Friday, July the 22nd at 9 p.m. Eastern Time, we are going to premiere two videos, both connected to the PrimeWeld CUT60. The first video, parts 1 and 2, is going to be unboxing our unit as it arrives here at the shop, and then we're going to go on a tour of both the front and the rear controls on that piece of equipment. The second video will premiere immediately afterwards. That's parts 3 and 4, and we're going to connect our unit up to power and air, and then we're going to make a couple of cuts on regular steel, stainless steel, aluminum. We're going to do some tool steels. We're also going to do a mystery metal, the wild card. Anyways, Friday, July the 22nd, 9 p.m. Eastern Time, two videos from Rattlecan Fab Shop. Hope to see you there. Cheers.